Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily create an awesome video with only one click using the CapCut Auto Cut. So here at the top, you'll see Auto Cut. When you click that, here CapCut will recommend templates to use for the video that you selected. So here I'm going to click on allow first and then just select your videos and also photo. I'm going to use this video, this one. Okay, now click on next, and CapCut will analyzing the clips first, and now will recommend you the templates that can be used for the videos or photos that you chose. So just wait until the effects are loading. So in here you just need to choose the templates that you think fits with your videos and with your style. And after that, when you like with the result, you can just click on export and it will be saved to your album. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.